Here you see the whole machine, Log-O-Matic, and now we fix the ingot, which is a dummy in this case, in the machine. Normally it should be, bigger ingots should be fixed by a crane which is supplied by the customer. We supply the clamping to handle it from one side to the other side. Now please start to put it in. You see an orientation notch, and we are fixing it by an opening and closing. Now we show once again the foot opening and closing. Mach mal auf und zu. The opening of the tailstock and the closing of the tailstock. Mach zu. Ah, das sieht er ja nicht. Der muss hier weg. The closing of the tailstock. Here you have to take care that the orientation pin will not slide out of the fixing. With some helping means, it is easy to open and to close. This helping means will have to be done by the customer back, corresponding to the diameter, different diameters of the workpiece. We start now the new Siemens drive control and numeric control. This is the last made model from Siemens, so you have long time warranty. In this control, programs are already introduced, and we start now a program to turn the workpiece and make a rough grinding with the wheel. We go into position with the cup wheel to grind. And the table is moving. One stroke and take an in-feed pass for the next stroke. Now the stroke is finished, and the wheel is pushing back to make a next start again to grind from one side. Jetzt
hat er gedacht.
Ja, das hätte ich eben sehen müssen für den Wolf. Okay. Na, mach an.
Schon hat man sehen. Läuft schon. Ich kann es schon weg.
Now we grind the flat. After the ingot took his orientated position. Das habe ich natürlich nicht drauf.
Und der rutscht oder?
Kannst du da überall rein?
Okay.
Überall breit machen hin und her, der hat nicht mehr so viel Batterie. Sowas auch.
Der war das Programm. Die Kunden Programm, wie umsetzen. Das von den Schnüren ist hier, es gibt 100% und das Schnür das kann ich drehen.
There are several strokes to grind the flat. Du hörst mal in der Richtung auf, jetzt und dann stoppst du, dann fährst du hoch, du fährst dort rüber und dann fahren wir nochmal zurück. Will this mean? Jetzt rüber. Einfach rüber. Auch gut. So hätte man das machen sollen für die Versuche. Auch sehr gut. Stopp, stopp. Aber vorwärts und rückwärts. Und wenn er dann drüber ist, wird es. Okay, we change the wheel. We add the fine grinding wheel for the twin wheel test.
Natürlich schon, weil gestern Samstag.
So, this is the fixing of the head to grind VOD, and with this the chamfer. Now we present how to mount it. Important is the wood piece, which has the same height, the same center height, to slide the unit in. These holes are to fix it on the body, and by turning the spindle, this will grind an OD diameter. This pass holder has to fix with this one here. And now we can start to turn the grinding wheel. By moving, we grind also the outer diameter of the grooving operation or the silicon outer diameter grinding with OD wheel instead of copper wheel.